What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. Just wanted to show an update. We got over $440,000 removed from this client's report in 33 days. Equifax, we got Equifax down. Equifax 30 to 60 days is normally squeaky clean. Look at their $10,000 Amex. 9 items removed. 165 point increase on Equifax. They lost 9 points on Experian, and they lost 16 points on TransUnion. Remember, some of these accounts have age. As you can see, previous report pulled March 5th. Current reimport is April the 10th. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. I hope you all have a great day.